What's up, YouTube and interweb? This is your boy Hunted. I'm back with another video. Before I start this video, go check me out and my crew at intromediagaming.com. I'll leave it in the description below. If you're an upcoming YouTuber and you want to be showcased or featured, have no problems, no contracts you need to sign. You know what I'm saying? Just email me at Mr. 100 at intromediagaming.com and I'll leave the link in the description below. I wasn't going to throw my hat into this ring of fire, but I know I can walk through it. I'm not going to get burnt by it. And so it's about Microsoft and their cloud computing. Like, it's a bunch of bullshit. It's a bunch of smoke and mirrors. Microsoft is not Sony. But I'm going to make it simple. What Microsoft is doing, the technology that they're doing, is old. Companies have been doing this for years. The government does this. They've been doing this for years. So let me break it down to you. And I'm going to try to do simple as I can, but I'm going to break it down to you. So, say you have a server that has 24 Core i7s, about 100 gigabytes of RAM, you know, shitloads of video cards, or AMD processors, whatever you want to use. And you made a server, big old server house, server form. Bam, bam, bam. It's centrally located somewhere, maybe in the building, might even be off-site. And you're at home or you're in front of your office and you're at a workstation. If you don't know what a workstation is, it's quote-unquote like a dummy computer. It has just the basic stuff that makes stuff run. So when you start working and you ping into the server is doing all the work. You're just looking at the screen and it's barely using any processing of the the workstation, aka the dummy terminal. You see this lots in hospitals and like the CIA uses this shit, the FBI uses this shit, you know, governments use it, period. Corporate businesses use this. Microsoft has been using this technology forever. Some of them you can actually do it from home. You log in, just have to have an internet connection, and voila, you have access to the server. So what Microsoft is Microsoft is actually doing this with video games. The dummy terminal is your Xbox One. It's not saying it's not powerful, but it's making the Xbox One a workstation. And when it needs help, it's going to ping the cloud. And that's the server. Now, sometimes different things use different bandwidth. Like, if I had a server house and I decided to design a building and I want to work simultaneously with someone. So I'll be a video call and we're working on it as this. But my laptop do not have to be powerful because everything is getting done in the server. This is getting implemented in video games now. So it's not like new technology. It's just Microsoft is saying, let's do this. Let's make our consoles 20 times powerful where you don't have to go out and go buy a new console. It's making it because it's using the cloud. And the way they made it, you don't need a lot of bandwidth to use it. So it's using that on Crackdown for the first time. You see in the physics, the clouds is doing the physics. It's not hard to do it. If you have the engineers that can pull it off, people that can write this code to make all to talk. Now, the hard part is it to make it talk. Usually companies don't have 15 million pinging it all times of the day. But Microsoft is making it where it is. You understand? Microsoft been in this game for a very long time. They know what they're doing. And what's Microsoft been pulling, I actually even saw how they actually intimate, how many servers they're using. I think they're having 20 servers just for Crackdown. And in the demo, the most they ever used was 16 of them. So you saw that in real time. And you got these Sony boys in here. It's not real. It's smoke and mirrors. How is it smoke and mirrors? They did it in front of thousands of people. They did it in front of thousands of people. So how's Microsoft lying about this? This technology is old, like I said, it's just getting implemented in video games. Now, can Sony do this? I don't know if Sony has the engineers to pull this off. I don't even know if Sony has the resources to pull it off. Just like Sony has Gaikai. What are you doing? You're streaming the game. You're actually grabbing the game out of the cloud and streaming it. But how powerful our Gaikai servers is do it? Or can it? You're not having that game centrally on the PlayStation 4. Whereas Crackdown is centrally located on the Xbox One. So when you go grab a game from PlayStation Now, it's streaming the whole game. And do Sony have the bandwidth or the engineering technology to stream it fluently? I haven't played PlayStation Now, so I don't, I heard first persons do not work that good on them. But Microsoft is doing something different. They don't want to load the whole game. They don't want you to stream the whole game right now. They just want you to do the physics. They just want to let the game think. Like, here go a thing of Vaseline, but we're going to fill it up with Vaseline. Don't worry about filling this up with Vaseline. We're going to fill it all the way up. Or just like my beer. Here go the bottle. We're going to fill it up for you. We're going to take care of the part. We're going to take care. We have computers that's going to sit there and do it all. And people were like, why it can't be in multiplayer? Why it's only in multiplayer? Because why would you do it all in single player? It won't be no challenge if I can shoot down 20 motherfucking blocks. I'm blowing up 20 blocks. I want to, man, come on now. And a lot of y'all pro PlayStation YouTube channels need to just come real and say, man, I was wrong. I'm going to be a man. I was wrong about, the Tomb Raider is coming. I said it. I was one that said it's never coming to the PlayStation 4. But it is. And I can admit that. I was wrong. It might be a port of the PlayStation 3 version. I mean, the Xbox 360 version, but it's coming. And I said it wasn't. So I can admit that. So this going out to all y'all ponies out there. All y'all pro PlayStation YouTubers or whatever y'all is that write into my comment section with all them novels. Admit. You shocked. And you out. It was shock and awe. Microsoft came with the real deal of the cloud. Y'all been clowning the cloud. They say I was right. And all y'all motherfuckers that's copping out tomorrow, it's good to be a multi-console owner. Get the fuck out of here. You was repping PlayStation. Stay repping PlayStation. But there's nothing wrong with saying you was wrong. I'm your boy Hunted. I'm out this motherfucker. Check me out at intromediagaming.com, man. Got a new forum. Go join that forum. I don't really do forums, but I'm going to come in the forum. I'm going to chop it up with you. The ponies is welcome. You know what I'm saying? PC elitists is welcome. You know what I'm saying? We you weirdos is welcome. You know what I'm saying? Haters is welcome. I'm out of this bitch. Have a drink.